Welcome to Innovate with Us, your go-to channel for learning modern tools and software that power innovation. In today's video, we're diving into Balsamiq, a powerful wireframing tool designed for simplicity and speed. Whether you're a product manager, designer, or developer, Balsamiq helps you bring UI ideas to life, fast. Head over to balsamiq.com and sign in. You can use Balsamiq Cloud or the desktop version. Once you're in, click on Create New Wireframe Project. Tip: use a project name that reflects your app or website idea. Here's a quick tour. On the left, you have the UI library. It's packed with pre-built components like buttons, forms, menus, and more. The canvas in the center is where your design takes shape. And on the right, you'll find the inspector panel to fine-tune properties like text, alignment, and size. Let's build a simple login screen. Drag. Section 4. Creating your first wireframe. Let's build a simple login screen. Drag a browser frame onto the canvas, add a label, text input, and button. Align them neatly and rename each element to suit your layout. Section 5, using symbols and templates. To save time, group elements into symbols. These work like components. Update one and the rest change automatically. Balsamiq also offers ready-made templates for dashboards, mobile apps, and more. Section 6, previewing and sharing your design. Click the play icon to preview your wireframe in presentation mode. You can export it as a PDF or share a live link with your team or stakeholders. Section 7, final tips. Keep your designs low fidelity. Focus on structure, not colors. Use annotations to explain functionality. Don't aim for perfection. Wireframes are for brainstorming.